popular Islamic scholar Sheikh Gumi has spoken out following his deportation from Saudi Arabia and subsequent ban from performing the 2025 Hajj pilgrimage. In a statement shared via his verified Facebook page, Sheikh Gumi revealed that despite being issued a valid visa for the pilgrimage, he was denied entry into Medina by Saudi immigration authorities and returned to Nigeria. According to him, the deportation may have been triggered by his critical stance on global political issues, which he believes made Saudi officials uncomfortable with his presence in the Holy Land. For some obvious reasons, my views about world politics, the Saudi authorities are uncomfortable about my presence in the Hajj after giving me the Hajj visa, he wrote. Gumi further noted that the federal government of Nigeria had stepped in and was currently engaging with Saudi authorities over the matter. He expressed appreciation for the swift action, describing it as a reflection of Nigeria's commitment to freedom and democracy. He also cited Quranic verse to reflect on his situation, emphasizing that he had spiritually completed the Hajj despite being physically absent. The Islamic cleric used the opportunity to call on Nigerians to continue praying for peace in the country and for the safe return of pilgrims still in Saudi Arabia. He also mentioned that he now looks forward to focusing on his health and farming. Sheikh Gumi, a vocal figure in Nigeria's religious and socio-political space, has frequently stirred controversy for advocating negotiations with armed bandits in the north and pushing for their rehabilitation instead of military confrontation. As of press time, efforts to reach officials of the National Hajj Commission of Nigeria (NACON) for comment were unsuccessful. We'll continue to supply you more real-time news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.